Guys, today I will show you a typical one bedroom here in Dubai in JVC. Stay tuned! Jumeirah Village Circle is one of Dubai's fastest growing communities with high rental returns and affordable prices. We will talk about the price for 1 year for rent and also about how much it is worth, how much you need to pay, for example, if you want to buy a one bedroom. And I will show you the amenities, I will show you the gym, the pool. It's amazing. Here we are in the lift. We're gonna go to the apartment right now. And can you see this? It's amazing. I like the lift here. This is the view from the corridor in front of the elevators. This is the view from the 9th floor. You can see the pool, and this is higher than the other buildings. We come directly from the lifts. We have 8 lifts for each side, and this building is completely new. So you're gonna see all the appliances. Everything is white and modern. I like it. I love it because it's very clean in combination with this wood colors. Here you don't need a key. You can enter just with the code. I did it already, and now here we go. Here for the lights. Very modern, very stylish. This is the living room. We have a huge balcony. Look at this beautiful balcony. Here we have the beautiful view again, like before. And let's continue. The size of this apartment is 950 square feet. And compared to Dubai, it's very spacious because here a one bedroom, sometimes you can find it for even for 550 square feet. So you can see this is very spacious and beautiful. No one has lived here. It's just handed over. You can see the appliances, the kitchen completely white, modern, beautiful. Here we will see this is already included in the price. So my client bought it last year as an off-plan. That's why I would suggest you to if you want to invest an off-plan. Here everything is, we have enough storage. It's a gas kitchen. And what else? I like the combination of gold and white and this. Let's switch the lights on here in the guest bathroom. Very nice. Kitchen, as mentioned, this is the bedroom. Here is the bathroom included. Shower, spacious bathroom. And here is the space for your bed. We have the wardrobe. It's already in the apartment, everything included. Mirror. I really like this apartment. Here you can see everything is here, and access to the balcony as well. So you have the access from two sides, from the living room and from the bedroom. Okay, and now let's talk about the price, because this is important for you, I know. So this apartment you can rent in JVC for 80 to 90,000 per year, and you can give 2 or 4 checks. So as you know, in Dubai you have to give it via checks. And what else? And now we're gonna go to the amenities. They are amazing, guys. I would love to move here. Right now we are closer to the pool, and you can see it's very huge. We have 2 different pools, one for adults and one for babies, or if you want to relax there, you see there in that place. This is more for babies or small children's, and I love it because can you see the length of the pool? In some buildings you have 2 different gyms, one for ladies and one for gents, and we will go here to the first one. Guess the price for this stunning apartment with all these amenities. If you want to know the price, just drop a message below. I love this building because of the huge gym, and this, what you can see here, is only for gentlemen actually. So you can imagine how big it is in total, because you have the other part which is only for ladies. Basically, you have all the amenities in one floor. In this case, it's the first floor. Sometimes you also have the amenities in the highest floor, but it's always different. Here you have an area for relaxing, chilling, and next is the pool. Now I want to summarize the important facts for you guys. For example, for a 1-bedroom here in Dubai, you will get a nice view if you purchase an apartment in a higher floor, depends on you of course. Then you will get access to parking, private parking for sure, and swimming pool and the gym, sometimes for ladies and sometimes for so separated. But this is what you get, and feel free to reach out to me if you're interested in real estate in Dubai, because I have very, very interesting offers for you. As you can see, the lobby looks like in a hotel. It's amazing. You have space for meetings and also to enjoy or relax a little bit there.